this is a review from Amazon. It's 3D motorcycle inflatable cushion which I purchased. It cost about £25. I've actually purchased it. Came with some instructions, the actual seat which I'm going to inflate in a moment, a couple of straps to put it to the bike, a little pump to put water into it if you want to go that way. I'm going to try with air first and then the little pump. You'll notice I placed it in some hot water. The idea is to warm this end up so it's easy to put on the tube, but just with this valve here you need to open it completely. It's a bit awkward. I had a go with it earlier and it was almost impossible to close it once it's attached to it, so I'll take it, open it slightly a bit like that and put it on. Now it's warmed up, it's easy to go on like that. Okay, and now I'm just going to pump it up. I'll time it as well, see how long it takes. It seems to be going quite quickly. I'm going to inflate it slightly because I'm going to lose probably a bit when I undo the valve. Okay, I'm just going to turn the valve around, take this out, and there you go. So, pretty good. Now the next thing is I've used the straps. Took just under half a minute, and see what happens. Well, I've fitted it onto the bike very successfully. The straps are elasticated and they fitted on very well. It's good, very secure. I feel this, and even got a nice protection bit just on the metal of the tank there. Seems nice material, kind to metal, so that feels quite comfortable. So I'm going to go, even though it's a bit cold, I'm going to go for a ride and see what it looks like. So the straps pretty secure, tight there, quite easy to put on, and see what happens. Well, I can conclude it's very much more comfortable seat than it was before. I would highly recommend it for long distance cruising. Make the bike much more adaptable as a cruiser, but probably not for going around twisties, because I'd felt myself sliding around in the seat much more than I had done before. Didn't feel so secure, just planted on the bike going in tight corners. So for the short journeys, probably I'll keep the bike as it is and add this for the long distances. So certainly something to consider adding to your collection of your accessories for your bike if you are considering doing long distances. Certainly very comfortable. Yes, I think probably worth £25 in all. I've fitted it on the pillion, and again it is more comfortable than before. The problem is a bit highfalutin to get the strappings on there, but I managed to do it by putting straps down there. And of course the original seat is pretty hard, and I say after an hour's riding your bum becomes sore, particularly in hot weather, I imagine. So I went down to the south of France, something like that, or Spain. I think after half an hour my bum would get pretty tired, so putting this on it will hopefully improve things.